Want to know how much is left on your Tesco gift card? It's easy. You can check your balance online through the Tesco app or in store. Regardless of the method, you'll need your 16-digit card number and 4-digit PIN for security. Let's walk through each option. For the Tesco app, download the free app on iOS or Android and enter your card details. Online, visit tesco.com/giftcards and enter your card details to view your balance instantly. In store, present your card at customer service or a self-service kiosk for immediate balance check. Remember, Tesco gift cards can be used for groceries, clothing, and other services at Tesco stores, online, or in the Tesco app within the UK. Keep in mind that cards expire after 2 years of inactivity. This makes sure you avoid any declined transactions at the checkout. Here's how to check your Tesco gift card balance using each method: online, through the app, and in store. First, the online method. Go to tesco.com/giftcards and enter your card number and PIN. Your balance will be displayed instantly. This method uses secure HTTPS encryption. Second, the Tesco app method. Download the free Tesco app on iOS or Android, log in or use guest mode, and enter your card details to view your balance. Third, the in-store method. Visit the customer service desk or use a self-service till. A staff member can scan your card, or you can use the barcode scanner at the kiosk available at larger stores since 2025. The balance will be shown without needing to make a purchase. The self-service kiosks have reduced balance check times by 50% and offer faster transactions. For select users, the gift card can be integrated into digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay. A recent case study in 2024 demonstrated how easily a customer checked their £50 e-gift card before shopping, avoiding a declined transaction during a busy holiday.